I had to bring you a VeChain video because I saw a YouTuber today go and put FUD about VeChain. And it's not okay. This is ridiculous. The market is just going through so much stuff right now. But to go and put FUD on VeChain, which is such a strong project, is not okay. So we're going to be addressing that. And so let me just give you the run of events here. We are going to do technical analysis so we can just look at prices and what we can expect. It's May the 17th right now as of recording. It's 8 something in the evening for me Pacific Standard Time. And then we're going to look at where is VeChain, where could it be by the end of the month at the beginning of June. And of course, this is not investment advice. I don't know exactly what's going to happen. I'm Joanna Garzilli. This is Crypto Angel Network. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, for lighting up that bell so you get my notifications, and you can just have a little bit of lightness, a little bit of fun, so we don't get so serious. It's so catty at the moment on Twitter. It's all like, it just reminds me of when I was at school in England growing up, and the girls, they get so bitchy with each other. And Elon, I mean, it's like it's a cat storm. It's so meow, meow. So let's just have some fun with this. We're going to do technical analysis. And then I have a special guest today, a very special guest who's just going to pop on, and we're just going to, before we do that, we're going to have a little animal card. Yes, an animal card for VeChain. Come on down. The price is right. Who is this?
Hola, everyone. My name is Dominic. I am the son of your favorite YouTuber right here.
Come to the dark side, Dominic. I'm not your mother. I am his mother. Okay, so here we go. Pick a card. You keep disappearing off the screen. Yeah. Okay, what do we got? Just not the black swan. This is so crazy. Okay, for those of you who haven't seen, if you had just seen my Harmony video, and sometimes I do Harmony and VeChain together because they go hand in hand. They're like two peas in a pod. And we got the pig card. We got the pig card for Harmony, and now we got the pig card for VeChain. And you know what I love? This says to me, people that, again, VeChain has that, even though VeChain has these massive partnerships and does stuff with the Shanghai government and that whole shebang. I mean, they're just doing a ton of stuff and for vaccine traceability. But we have pig here. We have pig, and this is all about abundance, prosperity. This is a very, very positive card. This is the Animal Tarot deck by Bernadette King, who is just like, wow, it's like magic, keep disappearing. Bernadette King, who is here, she sent these to me as a gift as she is a crypto angel. So I just thought it'd be fun, just share them a little bit. So pig is very much, it's a sign of abundance, of prosperity. So the YouTuber whose name I'm not going to share, who was all like, VeChain's going down, we got the pig. And the pig means things are good. Things are looking up. Things may go down slightly before they go up, but no. Anyway, we'll do the technical analysis for that. So let's get into that. Is there anything that you want to, because you've seen a little bit behind the scenes. Dominic's been helping me behind the scenes because he's really good at YouTube. And he was with me from the beginning when I had 4 subscribers, and now we're at, we have over 3,000 crypto angels. And there's days sometimes where it feels really, really tough because it takes a lot of energy doing these videos, but you've been amazing. Is there anything you want to say about what you've seen from behind the scenes before we get into technical analysis on VeChain?
All I can say is I've helped this girl a lot along the way. I'm technically the one who brought her here, but she took my advice and look where she is now. Keep supporting her, guys.
Thank you. I'm such a proud mom. I am such a proud mom. Oh my goodness, amazing. All right, let me share the screen. Let's get into VeChain. Let me get into it. All right. Okie dokie, here we go. Oh my gosh, he's so precious. And here we go. All right, let me pull this. You can see I've just gone into total mush. All right, let's take this. Let's go with a line of support here right now for VeChain. And we've got around 15 cents. We had a little bit of wick. Let's just zoom out a bit. Yeah, 15 cents here. Let's go and put from, we're going back here to the around the third. Let's go from the 13th. And let's go and put that line of resistance in here. Let's go grab that. And we're going to go, let's see, we're going to go here. Line of resistance, I feel right around here. You can see it. Okay, let's just make sure that line's thick enough. And we're not overbought on the RSI. Now let's just look and see what's happening. So this is in this part. Oh gosh, sorry. Sometimes like the computer, I'm on my MacBook Pro and it's just, it gets fiddly with zooming in and out here. This is what I feel like I need 4 computer screens and I need something that is just not as sensitive. Okay, here we go. Let's go and put this trend line and look at what can we expect. Because when you're going to see this, it's going to be a few hours later. And we're going to go with yellow for the trend line. Let's go from here. Let's follow this down. We're going down, 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 this descending triangle. And this is good news, I think. This is good news because you can see that VeChain, and this was similar as well when I did the chart for Harmony as well, is that VeChain is looking, it is looking to break out here. You can see that. So that I definitely, it's interesting to me that I feel sometimes like Harmony and VeChain go hand in hand. They are, even though they're different projects, but just the way that they move and the timing of how they move. So this is good. I'm bullish on this because right now you can see we are starting to break out a little bit here. I don't know what just happened there. Let me go to the 5 minutes. So this is great. This is positive, and we'll see what happens next with that. Could we end up now? Could this where we went down to this low here, could this be the new line of support that comes back in? So I'm going to go with let's go with a light blue. Let's go with this blue here, and let's grab this here. So what we're going to be watching for in the next couple of days is could 16 and a half, right around, let's just go, yeah, right there. Could 16 and a half cents become that next support? Could that be the new support? So we move from 15 up to 16 and a half. And just, this is just a little blip here for VeChain. Let's zoom out. Let's go back to 15 minutes. Because we have had overall, if we go back to from the 7th, the 7th of May, let's go from up here, from this high. Let's go do another horizontal line. Let's go with red, and let's go with like ultra thick red. And that was 25 cents. I think it went a little, I think that all-time high was around 28 cents, right? It was just shy of 28 cents. But that was the top, right? Actually, no, it was even more of a top here. What am I talking about? It was further back. It was all the way up here. That's where it was 29. That was the all-time high. But roughly that, where those candlesticks are, you can see, yeah, it was 26 and a half. So we do have, when we went up to retest again, it just got rejected right away. And then let's go and do a trend line here so that we can just start to look VeChain. I mean, I will be surprised if it goes down more than this, because the YouTuber I saw was giving quite a bearish prediction. And I just don't agree with that. Maybe I'll be totally wrong, but I just don't think so. So I want to run from here. And we're going to follow this line because look, can you see here? I could go, we're not going to go from there. We're going to go here. We're going to follow, you know what? Maybe we should go from the support. Instead of from there. No, let's do this. Let's go like this. Let's go here. Right down to, you know, it's almost, hang on, wait. I'm just thinking about this. Bear with me. Coming to here. Let's go actually to here. Right there. And you see, look, even from this angle, how this is, and then look, I'm going to take another trend line. I just want to take another one here. Just bear my thinking here on this. I'm going to go from here. Let's go like this down to here. So when I look at, I mean, this has to, I mean, I just don't, how much lower can we, I don't think it's going to break down below 15 because someone was saying that it could go down to 10. And I know here, this was the bloodbath the other week and it went down to 13, but I don't think so because I'm more drawn to this. I want to get rid of this. I know it's too much stuff in there. You see, when I look at this to me says we are about to move to the upside. I want to grab some type of arrow. I feel like an arrow. Let's go with an arrow. Let's grab this arrow. Let's go with it here. See? Look, I mean, this, look, let's just keep going. Let's just go like this. That's what we want to see if we can go like this. Let's actually change that from blue. Let's make it yellow. Actually, no, let's make it, me and my color schemes here. Let's go with pink. So this, you know, we've got to just see what happens. Watch this line now. If we start really breaking down below here, we might go through a little bit more consolidation. And this is not because of anything, I think, with VeChain. I think this is because of all the stuff that is happening market-wide, all the FUD, all the Bitcoin stuff, a lot of panic selling happening from people who are new into the space and they just don't know what is going on. So I think that, so maybe you know, just watch this line for the next couple of days and we'll check in and see. I mean, where are we at? 17th, 18th, 19th? Maybe we're just going to go, we're probably for the next 2-3 days, maybe 4 days, going to, I mean, I don't see why we can't just go back up to 19 cents again, retest that. And then if things which, again, I feel like everything's moving faster in the market. These cycles are getting closer together instead of having these longer periods of consolidation that we could, I think before the end of the month, I'm going to say it again, I think we're going to go up to retest this 25 cents. We kept getting stuck around 23 cents. It just wasn't really moving past 23, right? We had that resistance right here. But I think that before the end of the month, we've got to be able to go and retest at least at 25. And if we can go through that, we could get a wick to move up to that all-time high. And so I'm not going to go too far ahead. I'll just very briefly touch upon my thoughts for June. I think for June, I will just be shocked if in June we don't hit over 30 cents, if we don't go and break above that for VeChain. I mean, it's due. It is absolutely due. I'm surprised it hasn't moved to the upside. I'm surprised it kept getting rejected at that 23 cents. And I just think that it's going to catch up and it's going to start moving again. So in a few weeks' time, you're not even going to be able to go into VeChain at 14 cents. 14 cents is going to seem like a deal then. And so if one has been sitting on the sidelines, I would say, not investment advice, but don't wait too much longer. And if you are just nervous because what's been happening in the market, and some people are saying, oh, bear cycle, and you know, if Bitcoin goes down even lower, then everything else is going to collapse. I don't think that's going to happen to VeChain. I could be totally wrong, but I just don't feel that. I just don't think that's going to happen because we got the piggy card. The piggy card's all about abundance and prosperity. So you let me know in the comments, what do you think? Where do you think VeChain's going in this next couple of weeks? I'm still very bullish on it. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? How do you feel? Let let us, the Crypto Angel Network community know. And again, thank you for subscribing to the channel. And I am sending you lots and lots of love.